we are faced with a big challenge. Our customer really loves the way the magnet looks whenever we make it using Oracle 651. So that means we're gonna have to use the vinyl cutter. I mean, as long as the customer is happy, we are happy. And this is how we're gonna do this. First, we're gonna apply the light pink. We're gonna have to do a wet application, and we'll apply enough rapid tag. And for this white section, it's gonna be the same color of the background. That means we're gonna have to get creative and do a reverse weighting for that. And to make things more challenging, the dark color will have to be applied in different sections. First, we're gonna do the top, and we're gonna use alignments, and we'll do the same thing for the bottom letters. It is gonna be a lot of work. We better get started with this project. These are gonna be the colors that we are gonna use, the light pink and the darker pink. This is all the vinyl that we have. Nothing can go wrong. We don't have any room to mess it up. I'm gonna place the vinyl here, and I'm going to do my best to align it. I think I can move this a little bit, the paint roll to the sides. And it looks like we are good to go. We'll see. Ooh, I think I got it right the first time. These are the settings: offset 0, speed 41, acceleration 1, cut force 17, and now send it. And I added those wheat boxes as well as some alignments, which you guys are gonna see in action in just a few minutes. So far, so good. I'm glad I crossed my fingers. Now it's time to cut the light pink. For that, I don't really worry too much because we got plenty of material. But still, we don't want to waste any. Next, we're going to cut the magnet, and we're going to leave a little bit of room just in case we need to trim. I think we are going to need to trim it, and that is the reason why we're going to make it like 16.25 probably. If you're liking this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for your support. I'm going to start weeding this out, the light pink, and we're going to do reverse weeding. I will show you what I mean by that. Oops, I forgot that I had the little alignments. Now we can weed out the inside of the house, like the roof. And the white color is going to be basically the background. This is why I added those wheat boxes throughout the design. Look at the vinyl that we have left for this color. This is pretty much it. We're gonna use the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75.1. I also want to talk about the tape application rollers. If you don't have any help and are looking for something to make the application of your transfer a lot easier, well, this can be the answer. You can use it on any medium to large size decals. Remember that you can get it through our website, that is www.rdidecals. The good thing about these rollers is that they can be used on any Cameo cutters. We use it mainly with our Cameo 4, but it can also be used on Cameo 4 Pro. This is the first thing we're going to do. We're going to get rid of the backing paper completely. Now Luis is going to spray a lot of rapid tag. It is very hot inside and outside too, obviously. We're going to try to align it as best as we can, but even if we do not get it, we still got room to trim the edges. I think this is the best we can do. The reason why we use the rapid tag is also to avoid bubbles, and we tried to align the vinyl as best as we could. We didn't get it 100%, but like I said, we made them a little bit taller so we could trim this extra material, because we gotta make sure the pink color is 100% the size of the magnet. I don't really see many bubbles. Probably this one here, which we can get rid of using the squeegee, should come out. And the reason why we also use the transfer for this color, because it was a lot easier. We had enough material to position it, align it. Next, we're gonna use these alignments. We have those on the light pink too. And now we are going to get rid of the backing as well. Like the first layer, the pink, the light pink, I actually did it myself yesterday. It was a lot of work. This one's a lot easier since I got more help today. Now we're going to try to align that one. All right, I think we are good. Let me get the camera close so you guys can see. So this is how we use the little alignments. We place them one next to each other. And of course, the house also had to match 100%, which we got it.
I got it.
Luis got it. It's been a few minutes or seconds probably, and Luis is removing the transfer. Next, we're gonna apply this last section, and this is gonna be easier. We're gonna do the same method, apply plenty of that Rapid Tag and use the alignments. And then we're gonna trim the edges. And this is how we remove those alignments or registration marks. Very easy. We're gonna trim this side first. We're gonna do just a little bit, not too much. And let me turn it and show you guys this side for now. But we still gotta fix the bottom one. All right, now we're gonna trim this last section. See how easy it is. And let me get the camera. I don't know if I want to do this again because it is a lot of work. Whenever we have something like this, we usually do what we do with the business cards, and that is outsourcing either from eBay or Godprint. Those are the two main options that we know about. All right. So we are finally done with this project. Remember that if you want to support this channel, we have memberships available. Just go to the join button to see all the options available. If you like this video, of course, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember that you can get your materials and equipment through our website. That is www.rdidecals.com. As always, we appreciate your support. See you guys until the next one.